Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the latest and greatest dashcam on a budget. Get ready as we dive into the top 7 best dashcam on AliExpress. All the links of the dashcam are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam, your ultimate automotive companion. With its built-in dashcam functionality, the AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam ensures that you capture every moment on the road. Whether it's for safety or for documenting your adventures, this device has you covered. But that's not all. The AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems AliExpress technology. With these intelligent features, you'll feel more confident and secure behind the wheel. Say goodbye to tangled wires and bulky connectors. The AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam seamlessly integrates with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. Stay connected and enjoy your favorite apps, music, and navigation right from your car's dashboard. Experience blazing fast connectivity with the 5G Wi-Fi capability of the AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam. And with built-in GPS navigation, you'll never get lost again. Safety is our top priority. That's why the AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam comes with a rear-view camera. Park with confidence and avoid those pesky blind spots. Need to capture memorable moments during your road trips? The AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam doubles as a dashboard video recorder. Never miss a beautiful sunset or an unexpected encounter again. The AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam, a dashcam, AliExpress system, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto integration, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS navigation, and a dashboard video recorder all in one sleek package. Upgrade your driving experience today with the AliExpress wireless CarPlay Cam. Introducing the all-new Dashcam 4K DPS, the ultimate companion for your journey. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this dashcam ensures your safety and provides peace of mind on the road. Let's take a closer look at the incredible features of the Dashcam 4K DPS. First up, the 24-hour parking monitor. With this feature, your Dashcam 4K DPS will keep a watchful eye on your car even when it's parked. Next, the loop video recording. Never worry about running out of storage space, as the Dashcam 4K DPS automatically records over older footage, ensuring continuous and uninterrupted recording. Equipped with the powerful f/16 Sony 415 sensor, this dashcam captures every detail with remarkable clarity, even in low-light conditions. The Dashcam 4K DPS features a dual camera system, allowing you to record both the front and rear views of your car simultaneously. Experience true visual excellence with UHD 4K resolution. The Dashcam 4K DPS ensures crystal clear and lifelike footage of your journeys. Take full control without taking your hands off the wheel with our innovative gesture control feature. Simply wave your hand to start or stop recording. Connect your smartphone to the Dashcam 4K DPS using Wi-Fi and effortlessly review and share your captured footage with friends and family. The Dashcam 4K DPS boasts an impressive resolution of 1920p multiplied by 1080p, providing sharp and detailed images for accurate analysis and evidence. With the Dashcam 4K DPS, you can ride with confidence, knowing that every moment on the road is being recorded in stunning detail. Get the Dashcam 4K DPS today and make your journey safer and more memorable. Dashcam 4K DPS, capturing every moment, protecting every drive. Introducing the 70mm Dashcam A810, your ultimate driving companion. In a world where safety and security are paramount, meet the 70mm Dashcam A810, the ultimate driving companion designed to capture every moment on the road. With its Ultra HD 4K resolution, the 70mm Dashcam A810 ensures crystal clear footage, allowing you to relive your driving adventures in stunning detail. Equipped with a built-in GPS, this dashcam accurately records your location and speed, providing valuable evidence in case of an accident or dispute. The AliExpress technology of the 70mm Dashcam A810 acts as your personal co-pilot, providing lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts to keep you safe on the road. Worried about someone tampering with your parked car? The 70mm Dashcam A810 has got you covered. Its advanced AI motion detection instantly captures any movement around your vehicle, giving you peace of mind. Never miss a moment with the 150 degrees field of view of the 70mm Dashcam A810. Capture everything happening in front of your car, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your entire journey. Parking has never been easier. The 70mm Dashcam A810 supports rear parking, providing guidance and assistance to help you navigate tight spots with confidence. Upgrade your driving experience with the 70mm Dashcam A810, the perfect blend of advanced features, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced safety. Get yours today and drive with confidence. Introducing the M210 4K plus 2K dash cam, the ultimate companion for your car journey. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the M210 dash cam is revolutionizing the way we capture our driving experiences. Equipped with a front Sony IMX415 camera, the M210 records crystal clear 4K videos, ensuring every detail on the road is captured with stunning clarity. Its wide-angle lens provides an expansive field of view, allowing you to see everything happening around your vehicle. But that's not all. The M210 dash cam is equipped with built-in GPS functionality, providing accurate location data and speed information for every recording. Thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi, you can easily connect your smartphone to the M210 dash cam, giving you quick access to video playback and settings adjustments. And let's not forget the rear-view mirror with the Sony IMX307 back camera. It offers a clear view of what's happening behind your vehicle, ensuring your safety at all times. Whether it's capturing breathtaking landscapes or recording crucial evidence in case of an accident, the M210 dash cam is always there to preserve your precious moments. Don't miss out on the M210 4K plus 2K dash cam, the ultimate video recorder for your car. Upgrade your driving experience and enjoy peace of mind on the road with this state-of-the-art device. Get your M210 dash cam today and make every drive memorable. Introducing the Taisfang M10MX, the ultimate companion for every car enthusiast and safety-conscious driver. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, this 2K 1440p dashcam is here to redefine your driving experience. The Taisfang M10MX boasts an exceptional 2K 1440p resolution, ensuring crystal-clear video recordings of your journeys. Whether it's capturing breathtaking landscapes or recording important moments on the road, this dashcam delivers stunning visuals with incredible detail. But what truly sets the Taisfang M10MX apart is its innovative 4-channel 360-degree camera system. With 4 lenses strategically placed around your vehicle, you can capture everything happening around you simultaneously. Say goodbye to blind spots and enjoy a complete view of your surroundings. Worried about leaving your car unattended? The Taisfang M10MX has you covered with its advanced 24-hour parking monitor feature. Equipped with motion sensors, it automatically activates when any movement is detected near your vehicle. Rest easy knowing that every moment is being recorded, even when you're not behind the wheel. Safety doesn't take a break when the sun goes down. That's why the Taisfang M10MX comes equipped with cutting-edge night vision technology. Its enhanced low-light performance ensures clear and detailed video recordings, providing you with peace of mind during nighttime drives. Stay on track and never miss a moment with the Taisfang M10MX's built-in GPS system. By accurately tracking your vehicle's location and speed, you can review your routes and monitor driving behavior. It's an invaluable tool for analyzing trips, ensuring accurate navigation, and even resolving disputed incidents. Upgrade your driving experience with the Taisfang M10MX. With its 2K resolution, 4-channel 360-degree camera, 24-hour parking monitor, GPS capabilities, night vision, and massive storage capacity, this dashcam is the ultimate companion for safety, security, and unforgettable memories on the road. Introducing the Mini IC2 4K dashcam, the perfect companion for your journeys on the road. Capture every moment with crystal clear clarity and advanced features that ensure your safety and peace of mind. Let's dive into the amazing features of the Mini IC2. The Mini IC2 boasts a sleek and compact design that seamlessly blends with any vehicle interior. Its high-quality build ensures durability, making it the ideal dashcam for any adventure. The Mini IC2 is equipped with a 170 degrees wide-angle front camera lens, capturing a wider field of view so you won't miss any detail on the road. Whether it's breathtaking landscapes or unexpected events, the Mini IC2 captures it all. Safety is a top priority with the Mini IC2. With its advanced ADAS technology, you'll receive real-time alerts for lane departure, forward collision warnings, and more. Stay one step ahead and drive with confidence. Even in low-light conditions, the Mini IC2 shines. Thanks to its advanced WDR wide dynamic range and night vision technology, you can capture clear and detailed footage, ensuring your safety day and night. Worried about your vehicle's safety when parked? The Mini IC2 has a built-in parking monitor that activates the camera if any motion is detected, providing you with that extra layer of security and peace of mind. The Mini IC2 4K dashcam with its 170 degrees wide-angle front and rear cameras, ADAS technology, WDR night vision, parking monitor, and time-lapse feature is the ultimate driving companion for capturing every moment on the road. Upgrade your driving experience today with the Mini IC2 4K dashcam. Don't miss out on this incredible device that ensures your safety, security, and captures all the unforgettable moments during your journeys. Get yours now and enjoy the road ahead with confidence. Introducing the Taisfang i5 Siemens Dashcam, the ultimate companion for your car. With its cutting-edge features and advanced technology, the Taisfang i5 Siemens is more than just a dashcam. It's your eyes on the road, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Experience superior video clarity with the Taisfang i5 Siemens. Capture every detail of your journey with its impressive 2K 1440p front camera and two 1080p rear cameras. Whether you're driving on busy highways or exploring scenic routes, the Taisfang i5 Siemens ensures that you never miss a moment. Stay protected from all angles with the Taisfang i5 Siemens' 360 degrees auto video recording feature. It captures everything happening around your car, providing comprehensive coverage and crucial evidence in case of an incident. Easily access and review your recordings right from the dashcam's intuitive interface. With the Taisfang i5 Siemens, you're always in control. Protect your vehicle even when you're away with the Taisfang i5 Siemens' 24-hour parking monitor. It automatically detects any motion or impact and starts recording instantly, ensuring that you have a clear record of any incidents. Thanks to its advanced night vision technology, the Taisfang i5 Siemens guarantees clear and detailed footage day or night. Stay connected and in control with the Taisfang i5 Siemens' built-in Wi-Fi. Simply connect it to your smartphone using the dedicated app and effortlessly manage your recordings, settings, and more on the go. Adjust video settings, download recordings, and share important moments with ease. The Taisfang i5 Siemens puts you in command. Upgrade your driving experience with the Taisfang i5 Siemens Dash. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.